Hi, this is Dr. Kathleen Russo with Carolina Healthspan Institute. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about the benefits of estrogen therapy in menopause. And the reason why I want to talk about that today is a new study was just published last month, and the study was titled "The Effects of Estrogen in Reducing the Risk of Dementia." And the study had over 270,000 people in the database, and they looked at a woman's lifetime exposure to estrogen. The conclusion was prolonged exposure to estrogen equals a reduced risk of dementia, and a shorter exposure to estrogen increases a woman's risk of dementia. So really important to think about estrogen replacement therapy as you enter into menopause. A couple other things to consider is cardiovascular disease and osteoporosis. So estrogen is FDA approved for the prevention of osteoporosis. And we all know so many women who have suffered much disability and or morbidity from osteoporosis and fractured bones, including fractured hips. And then regarding cardiovascular disease, estrogen is cardiovascular protective. And cardiovascular disease is the #1 cause of death in women. And we know that when women go into menopause, that risk dramatically increases, and that's because of declining levels of estrogen. Estrogen protects the blood vessels, the endothelial lining of the blood vessels, and the current studies show that women who take transdermal estrogen during menopause, that they have fewer heart attacks and strokes than women not on hormone replacement. So I encourage all women who are in perimenopause or transitioning into menopause to consult a menopause specialist to see if therapy might be right for them. And I'd like to conclude by saying that it's not a matter of just slapping a patch on. You have to have the right dose. And if your provider is not checking levels before you start therapy or during your treatment, then you don't know if you're getting the right amount of medication to give you the cellular levels that are going to give you those benefits. So I encourage you to call Carolina Healthspan and experience healthcare in a new way, which is personalized and proactive. Thank you very much. You can reach us at 704-333-4817.